My name is Johannes from company SPI of Austria. We're here and presenting our welding power sources for plasma welding and also for TIG welding. It can be applied for joint welding, for keyhole welding, for brazing applications and also for cladding. So we built these power sources in different power classes, starting from 50 amps up to 700 amps. Weldable materials are aluminum, steels, titanium, of course stainless steel, copper and brass. And what I also would like to show you is one of our latest products, the PMI 160 Ultima, which is a substitution product for already existing Ultima power sources which are working on the market. And this power source is just a plug-and-play substitution for existing power sources where eventually the support is running out. Yeah? So this is brand new. This can be used for replacing Ultima power sources. We also have welding machinery in our portfolio for integrating all these power sources into a machine. Well, I would say, of course, there are some specific branches which are very successful in Italy. I would say this is, of course, industries like casting for pumps, or also glass manufacturers which are using glass molds to make glass bottles or glass products, where, for instance, this powder repair application could be useful. Yeah. And also, what else do we have in difference? So, talking about Austrian and Italy industry, I would say also in terms of automotive. We all know Italy is very successful and heavy in this industry. On the other hand, Austria is here quite good with automotive supplying companies.